sound stripe. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Beard Card back again with another video. Today we gonna be switching out this white grill for a chrome one. I've been wanting a chrome grill for a minute, so I'm trying to switch it out. Alright, so here's the chrome grill. I had went to pick and pull and got it. So yeah, I think it's like a couple bolts up top and 2 on the sides where the headlights go. So I'll show y'all when I start getting put on, you know what I'm saying? Alright, it's gonna do is just pop your hood just to get it started with. And I did make a TikTok replacing this. And I went to pick and pull and got this piece too, so just now replace that. You don't need that no more, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and open it up. Hold on. Alright. So you're gonna have a screw right there. And just some screws on here. I gotta take this off first. So, like I said, screw, take this off. And this old grill piece can come out. And put this grill on the old one just to put it on there. Alright, as you see, all the screws is up top. And you got the clips to remove this, then you remove your whole cover up top, then you see you can get to these screws. I'm gonna show you the next step. Oh, and don't forget to remove that screw right there, so you can push out your side headlights. Same thing on this side, right there. You just push them out and that's it. Then you'll have like some clips, some tails to go under there right there. You remove those, then your whole grill will come out. Alright, once you got your corner lights out, you got a bolt right here and a bolt right here. Same thing on this side, bolt right there and bolt right there. Well, the whole grill done cracked in half. Good thing I went to pick and pull and got one, so now I just remove these bottom clips and put them on the new one back there. Then it'll be straight. Alright, I got them bottom pieces out, so now it's time to, let's see, time to get the new grill out. I gotta hold down right here just in case. Dropping so it won't come off, but yeah, time to get the new grill on. Got the grill on. It look alright. What I might have to do is get me another Expedition grill, because that's what it came off of. So let me see. I'm gonna see how I look at first though. Alright, everything is off. I'm gonna show y'all the grill, what it look like. There is some parts of the grill that they ain't wanted to fit, but I made it fit, like the insert grill. But I got it to fit. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that look way better. It look way better than the old white one, but all I gotta do is just get it re-chromed. It'll look good. I like how it match with the bumper. That's fire, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, that's it for the video, you know what I'm saying? Showing how to replace your grill. Well, mine's messed up anyway, broken. So if you do get this grill, PSAY, I got it from Expedition. See how it didn't fit? Because I guess the grill is bigger on the Expedition. So that's one thing you need to watch out for when you get this Expedition grill. So yeah, Beard Cord is out. Soon will be another video dropping. I don't know when, but I'll let y'all know if something post a video. But yeah, Beard Cord out.